Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate one of the performance optimization techniques within Snowflake, which is nothing but how do we eliminate redundant joins by using one of the keyword which is rely. Okay. For demonstrating this particular use case, I have taken employee and department table, the classic example of employee and department, wherein this is my employee DDL, wherein employee ID is your primary key and your foreign key is nothing but your department number, which is present in your department table. Okay, right? And in department table, obviously department number is your primary key, and then certain records are inserted, and then what we do is I'm going to execute this query. Okay, now if you study this query, so what is happening in this query is from employee table I am picking up all the records. Okay, but I am trying to do a left outer join on department table. Okay, and then I am joining on your primary key and foreign key relationship, which I just now told. Now over here, one thing to note is, although it is doing a left outer join, but I am not picking up anything from the department table. Okay. Now this is a classic use case wherein unnecessarily your join node will be evaluated by the compiler, and at times it becomes performance intensive. Now if I execute this query, what will happen is I'm going to get obviously the result, and all these results are nothing but the data which I'm getting from my employee table. But if you see your query ID, okay, and then you go to your kind of logs, or rather do the profile, what will happen is you will see this join node. Okay, but this join node has come in, the compiler had understood that I have to do a join, but actually it is kind of implicitly not a use case where I actually have to do those join operation, because I am reading everything from the employee table. So is there a way in which even if I write this kind of query, my kind of Snowflake will kind of internally understand that I have to exclude this join node and then directly fetch the data from my employee table? So I will not change anything syntactically in this query, but still I will be able to optimize or eliminate this join, and in the process optimize the query. So the short answer is yes, it can be done. So let us kind of see by executing the same query how it is working, right? So what I will do is I'm gonna obviously disable the result cache. Okay, so that I will be able to execute the same query and show you how it works, right? Now one thing which I have to do is your join table, which is department, I will have to use one keyword which is rely. Okay, and then I have to recompile this table. Okay, and because it is a create or replace statement, I will insert the same data. Okay, all over again. Okay, and then the employee table remain the same, but the only thing which I've added is the rely keyword. Okay, and then what I will do is I'm going to execute this query, and I will see whether my join node implicitly is not coming whenever I'm seeing the query profile. Okay, I've disabled the result cache so that the query executes fresh. Okay, and then if I see my query profile, okay, now what is happening in my query profile, we'll see. You see this? Okay, directly it read the data from the employee table, and it gave us the output. And the earlier example where it was not having that rely clause, we were having a lot of join the join nodes over here. So this is exactly how your redundant joins get eliminated with rely keyword. Okay, and rely is nothing but a constant which is applicable on unique primary key and foreign key constant. It is used for improving performance and eliminating the redundant joins. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.